Hello everyone, this is Mary Beth and welcome to my channel. Today I've got two fun little DIYs. They're Dollar Tree DIYs that I'm going to show you. So they're very simple, very easy to do. And on this first one, even though I use more of colors you may not want in specific rooms or whatever, you can always use whatever colors you want. I guess that's my point. Oh my goodness, it took me a long time to say that. But the colors I chose, you'll see here in just a moment. For the frame, I chose like a mint green color. And of course, those flowers are kind of a peachy pink. And I am going to paint just the little wood part that's the sign from the Dollar Tree, technically, white. So this would be an amazing little cute thing for a little girl's room. I'm going to hang it up in my craft room. But again, you could make it any color you want. You can make it bigger sign, smaller sign. I just think it's a really cute idea. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to paint the back of the Dollar Tree sign. And then I'm going to take all these lovely flowers and I'm just going to glue them down in rows, basically. And then, of course, I'll paint the frame. And then I'm going to, just reattach this in the frame. And then I really love the cute little handle that you'll see here in a little bit. I'll pop in probably around that time. But before I let you go and enjoy watching this and listening to a little bit of music, I do want to thank all my subscribers for returning and supporting my channel. And I also want to say hello if anyone here is new. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. So if you do like this type of video, please hit the like button and leave a comment, as I do love hearing from all of you. All right, I will let you guys enjoy this for a little bit and I'll be back.
But I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, never know, 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 she'll never know.
Find something true that I like. I won't stress you, dear. I know that you made up your mind. Pretending that nothing has changed. Time is my only escape. I know that I lost you that night. I know that you've already left me. Anger won't bother me now. There's no one to blame for your love. In the sweet despair, a broken heart's lying down. I won't hurry, dear. I'm breathing as long as you're around.
your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good.
Okay, so you'll notice that I should back up a little bit. So I used the Rust-Oleum Linen White when I painted the back of the sign. And then for the frame, I used, it's called Mint Chip, I think, and it's from DIY Paint Company. But you can use any paint you have, chalk paint, acrylic paint, and whatever colors you like. I did sand the frame down with the 220 grit sandpaper to really smooth out my brush strokes. And if it distressed a little bit, I was okay with that. I then used white wax, and you can use any type of sealer that you want. I chose to use white wax, and it was by DIY Paint Company, but again, you can use it from Waverly or whatever you have on hand. And then I did fiddle a little bit and struggle and try to get it in the frame because it was, I don't know, the flowers were getting caught, whatever, but I finally got it. So now I have some white beads. This is real simple, and I just strung them on to some twine, as you see here, just kind of tying a knot, double, triple knot, whatever it was, at the end of each side. And then I'm just gonna hot glue the tails of that twine to the back of the frame, and you've got a really cute little handle. And yeah, so the last thing I'll do after I'm done kind of getting these beads put together and getting it glued on the back is I will make a cute little bow. And that'll be it for this project. And then we're going to move on to the next project.
Let go, rain. It's not your song to sing no more. Goodbye, blame. Weights can't lift you up, but you can find a way to drop them. Can you feel the wind? Say you do, it's how it all begins. Then comes reason, then purpose. Well, you will find your way. In the meantime, may the sun bless you with its rays. It's how we learn. It has to hurt, it has to hurt. Every single turn. Don't beg your pardon. You're not someone's victim. It has to hurt, it has to hurt. You can watch the birds when they fly across the world. Weights can't lift you up, you can find a way to drop them. When the new ones weigh you down, you'll be on top of them. Oh, don't mind the falls, break down when it burns. It has to hurt, it has to hurt.
Okay, so this is probably one of the easiest projects you could ever do. So this is just one of those acrylic-y, plastic, whatever it is. I think it's acrylic. Platters from Dollar Tree, so it cost $1. Now, the rope I'm using, but you could use twine, you could use whatever you would like. But this is called Satchel cord, I believe is the name of it. I'm trying to find more. Oh, no, I think that's what it's called. I think they use it for like pulleys and stuff. But anyway, I had it on hand. I had gotten it a long time ago from Walmart. I don't think it's very expensive, but it is something you want to make sure you use. When you use your hot glue, really hold it down probably a little bit longer than you would twine just to make sure it's adhered well. But anyway, that's what I used. But you could use anything you wanted. And then all I do is literally go round and round and round and round all the way until the platter is full. After that, and we'll get to this in a moment here, I had purchased off of Amazon their split beads. And please, I should have said a long time ago in this video, good grief, look at those nails, girl. Get it together. Oh my God. So I was in the process of picking off my nails because I have to redo them. And oh, yeah. Anyway, I do apologize for that. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so these split beads are like a bead cut in half, basically. So what I did with those, and again, we'll get to it in a minute. You're not really missing much here. I'm just winding around, hot gluing, is I paint them. I think I used Mineral from Waverly, and then I will glue them all around the edge of the platter. I mean, that was really it. It was super duper simple. And you guys, I think it makes such a difference. It's so pretty. I absolutely love it. In the picture, I just have it kind of leaning up against something, but you could have it on a table, and put, some fruit or something. I mean, I just think it's really, really pretty. Or outside on a patio. So many options. So anyways, you will see here shortly, I'm gonna start working on those beads, and that'll do it. And there's a couple pictures at the end. So again, I really, really appreciate your time today. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking my videos out. Greatly appreciate it. And I really do hope everyone has a wonderful day. And I really hope that you enjoyed my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.
The lights are out and heaven's open. We can be everything we want. Oh, stop the clocks, the bees are humming in between the contrasts of our souls. Stop the clocks, the bees are humming in between the contrasts of our souls. Close your eyes.
Secondhand, I felt a bit forgotten. Not your plan, but now the days of silence outgrow the fun things we have done. But tell me, do you wanna carry on?